Hello, my name is Degan and welcome to Tentworld Toowoomba. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Black Diamond Storm Headlamp and show you some of its features. The Black Diamond Storm comes with a removable head strap. The buckle can also be attached to belts and jackets. It comes with 4 AAA batteries, which are held in by a very durable lock, so if you do drop the headlamp, it should not fall open. The new features on the Storm are the extra buttons and the battery indicator. So the battery indicator, 3 lights will show it's full, less lights means it's less full, and blinking single light will mean that you need to change the batteries. To turn the headlamp on, just press the main button at the top and it'll come on. To turn it off again, press it again. It has a secondary button to switch through the modes. So it has a spotlight mode, a wide beam mode, and a colored mode. To change through the colored modes, while it is in colored mode, just hold the secondary button for a second and it'll switch between them. It comes with 3 colors, red, green, and blue. To switch back to the main mode, just press it once again. The other new feature is the side button feature, which if you press it, it will instantly put the headlamp to max brightness, and pressing it again, it will go back to the last setting. The other great feature it has is the brightness memory. So to change the brightness, you just hold it in and it'll adjust the brightness to when you like it, and you can switch it off and it'll come back to the same brightness. This is quite good if you don't want to, you're in a place where you don't want to put out a lot of bright light and you want to keep it dim. The feature also works with the other modes, so you can have it on your red mode and not worry about it shooting out a bunch of white light when you turn it on and off. To get the blinking mode, just press the main button quickly when it's on, twice, and it'll start blinking, and press it off to go it off again. The Storm 375 max lumens is 375, and to get it, it'll run for a maximum of 5 hours at the max setting, and you can get it to run for 150 hours on 8 lumens if you want to get the maximum usage out of it. It is also IP67, which means it's dust proof, and it can be dropped in water for 30 minutes, a meter water, and still work fine. If it does get wet, it is recommended to take the batteries out and dry the battery compartment before using it, but the internal workings of the headlamp should be still fine. This is one of my favorite headlamps at Tentworld because it is very lightweight, only 120 grams, and it is very simple to use, the new design with these extra buttons. The other feature it has is a battery lock. So if you're worried about it being accidentally bumped on in your backpack, you can hold the 2 buttons at the top till the light starts blinking, which means it's in battery lock mode, and if any button gets bumped, it'll just blink the lights quickly and then go off. So you don't have to worry about your batteries pulling out your batteries. You can just put the battery lock on, and to take off the battery lock, hold the 2 buttons and it'll come back on. So I think it's a great headlamp. If you want to get one, come into your local Tentworld or check out Tentworld online.